In this video, you are going to see the Realme 11 gaming performance and review. Right now, I charged this mobile up to 100%. You also see here. To do the fair testing, I'm checking the room temperature also. It's close to 31 degrees. Now, let's check the same with the mobile. It's about 33 degrees. You too observe here. I'm going to play games for about 30 minutes and check the temperatures in between that, and also the battery percentage dropped. I'm going to play some most demanding games right now like Pubg, Call of Duty, etc. These are heavy graphic integrated games where the processor needs to work at maximum speeds to render it without any lags. Now I'm playing Asphalt 9. You also check if any frame drops happened. After close to 7 minutes of gameplay, I noticed some warmth while holding this mobile. That too on the back side of the camera area and a little bit on the display side opposite to the camera. Let's check the temperatures now. On the front it's 37.7 degrees it reached, while on the back it's between 37 to 38 degrees. It's just warmed a little bit but not overheating. Only in the camera area it's getting warm, apart from that it's normal. I continue playing this game for up to 10 minutes in total. Let's see how was the temperature after that and also the battery percentage. So now we crossed the 10 minutes mark. It's time for checking. Also, I'm keeping this app in the background only to test the RAM management at the final. Now the battery is 98% left still. For continuous play of Asphalt 9 for 10 minutes, only 2% dropped. This is how the batteries are at the initial stages, but after using them for months, it starts losing their life slowly. Now I'm going to play PUBG, which is most favorite game for many people. Before that, let's check the temperature once again and start the game. The temperatures are close to 37.1 degrees on the front, and the back it's close to 37.6 degrees. PUBG is installing the update. Meanwhile, I'm going to play Call of Duty.
Targets in sight. Enemy contact. Predator missile on standby. Changing back. Enemy sight. Enemy contact. Go! Target down. Contact with enemy. Target down. Targets in sight. Keep it up. Enemy down. Enemy in sight. That's shot. Go down.
Now it's 20 minutes completed. Let's check the temperatures now. On the display, the temperature is increased. I feel that while playing the game. It's touched 40.9 degrees. On the back, it's 37 to 38 degrees. The back side, it's the same as previous. Most of the heat is pushed to the display side. It's due to the material property. Glass absorbs heat faster than plastic. Now I'm going to play PUBG game and check how it performs. Now it's the 30-minute mark and time to test the temperature. I'm feeling so much warmer on the display side, that too on the top, exactly opposite to the camera. On the front, it's 38 to 29 degrees, while on the back, it's the same. It's not overheating, rather, it's just warm. This is pretty normal in any smartphone if you play games or use the camera. It's too surprising for me regarding the processor. I thought it can't handle the big games, but it kicked out me with the results. This Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset is good for games. Overall, it passed the gaming test. Now it's time to check the RAM management. I added these three games in the background. Asphalt 9 Reloaded again, Call of Duty and PUBG are running. So overall, this mobile is good for the games, but you feel a little warmer on the display side and it's not overheating. So finally, Realme 11 can handle high-end games without overheating.